Looks pretty good. Oh, hey there, guys. So, you guys are probably wondering why I'm standing in Steve's engine bay. And that's because I'm the only thing that's going to be talking or running or anything or any moving parts in here for a long time. Because, yeah, nothing's getting done with Steve's car. That's why everything's revolved around my car. But it's alright, because 335i's N54s are awesome. You know why? Because if you guys didn't see in the last video, we made some gunshot noises, right? With the MHD burble tune. But I did figure out from one of my homies out in Texas, my boy N54_ERA, he actually hit me up and he told me, he was like, bro, you know, like if you do that burble tuning, you turn it on aggressive for 2.5 seconds, with my exhaust setup, which is a complete turbo back catless straight pipe, no resonators, no mufflers, no nothing, just a complete straight pipe turbo back, you actually can get some pretty nice flames. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be hooking up a GoPro on the back of the exhaust so you guys can see the massive flames coming out, and I'm going to kind of give you guys my little tutorial version of how to do it, and we're just going to go and you guys will see a bunch of clips of just massive flames coming out of my N54. So I think that's absolutely amazing. I think you N54 owners are going to love it, and you know, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So before we actually go and shoot these flames, you guys are going to have to go down, click the like button, turn on post notifications, and subscribe, or else we're not going to go and show the clip. So yeah, I'm waiting for you to go down and do that. Alright, you guys did it good. Alright, let's get started with the video. Alright, so once you guys get in the car, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to your MHD flasher. If you guys want to know how to install that and everything that you need, go check out this video right here. So you're going to open up MHD. Once you get into MHD, you're going to go to flash whatever map, whether you're doing a back-end flash, a flash MHD map, or a custom map. I have a custom map, so you will do your custom map, and then it's going to connect. Once it connects, it's going to open up this screen, and then you would go to options and then exhaust burble. You would turn exhaust burble on, and then you have your option of hard, minimum RPM, base duration, and sport duration for you automatic transmission guys. That's literally it. Then you would just go back, map right, load, and then boom, you have your burble tune on.
All right guys, we are in the car, we're moving around. Temperatures are up. Oil temp is good, water temp is good, exhaust is as hot as we can get it because you want it nice and hot.
Definitely.
And Pat is gonna show you guys his technique. Yeah.
All right, so we have the GoPro in the back. So pretty much what you're gonna want to do is, if you're on the highway, like doing 60 plus, to me, 4th gear seems to work the best. What you'll do is you'll go 4th gear, you're gonna floor it in 4th until about like say 4,500 RPMs, and then you're gonna let off the gas. Once you let off, you're kind of gonna want to just tap the gas pedal just a little bit, ever so slightly, and do it all the way down until it gets lower to like 3,000, and you should get flames like crazy. So let's see what we can get.
You can actually hear the flame going through the exhaust, and I can actually like feel the vibration of it, I guess, like the little rumble in my, and you know, like my back and my chair, and then yeah, you know that's just fire coming right out the exhaust.
Yeah, you like hear it ignite. It almost sounds like when you light up a torch and like you hear it like hiss, and then you just hear like poof. And it's a completely different sound than a burble. Like it literally, like you actually hear, like you know what a flame sounds like.
Yeah, it's funny. It's like, it's a funny saying. You hear the flame.
All right, so now that you guys saw that method, there's one other one, which is if you're going a little bit of like lower speeds, you could do 3rd gear and you rev to like the same thing. You would want to go to like, you know, 4,500, 5,000 RPM and let off. In 3rd gear, the burbles are going to be a lot louder, so you'll dump a little bit more fuel and your flames may get bigger. It's just, for me, I feel like 4th gear is a little more consistent with the flames, but 3rd gear, like when you do get flames, they tend to be a bit bigger and they tend to go a little bit further. So that's enough of the talk. You guys know how to do it now. Now you guys can go try it yourself, but enjoy these last clips of just a whole bunch of flames. You can see this car. I got the 335i Skyline flamethrower mod. So here's the clip, baby. Bye.